Alright, guys. So we're going to open the oven and check the meat. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's steaming. Oh, yeah. Alright, and I'm going to look for the meat thing. And we are going to see.
Mama.
It is done. This is a little meat thermometer. It'll tell us where it's at.
Hi, Daddy.
Which I am pulling out now. Alrighty. Let's get this bad boy rearing to go. Yes, I know, beautiful girl. So far, it's at 140. What? So in 5 minutes, you guys, because it's at 140 right now, I'm going to take it back out of the oven and check it again. But yeah, it is looking good so far. So let's go and let's put it back in the oven. Oh crap, she's on my drawings. Okay. It's drawings and you're not supposed to get into it. This bad boy is in the oven. Let's let him simmer for 5 minutes, and yeah. This is the drawing I was talking about. It's a little plantation house. So, yeah. Or a house or whatever you call it in Louisiana. But, yeah. And now she's trying to grab all the stuff for there. So, in 5 minutes, I will be back again. Tell them, bye guys.